One way or another, sooner or later, we all end up hitting our reset button. This can happen as a result of something as traumatic as a nervous breakdown or simply a choice to slow down. But it will happen. I use my reset button regularly. When external circumstances affect my internal conditions, I take positive action and use quiet time. I find a place to sit quietly, comfortably. I close my eyes, breathe deeply, and I quickly become more centered and relaxed. I create a clear mental picture so I can quickly and effectively handle whatever is causing me discomfort. Tension, worry, and resentment begin to melt away. My sense of balance and confidence and strength are renewed. I achieve my goals and realize that my surroundings are always good. When I open my eyes, I am refreshed, renewed, and ready for life. Before you get backed into a corner, use your reset button before it needs to be a panic button. Choose a little quiet time and reset yourself the easy way.